What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in today's video we'll be talking about the iQOO 11 series which is launching on 2nd of December in China. But let's talk about when it's going to launch in India and what's the price series of the smartphone and what you can expect from these smartphones too. Now before getting this video, if you're new here then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that you've done that, let's get started. So the very first thing, talking about its display, it's going to be the world first display over the years in the smartphone, as it will be coming with the industry first 2K AMOLED display, and it's not an ordinary AMOLED display, it's a 144Hz high refresh rate with the E6 display technology. We have seen E4 and E5 panels, but this is going to be E6 panel and it's going to be the world first too. Well, not only that, it's also be coming with the UFS 4.0 storage and LPDDR5X RAM in this smartphone support. So this is again one of the crazy things which you are going to see in the smartphone. And considering these things, and not only that, for this smartphone it will be running on Origin OS and based on Android 13, a next generation of a Qualcomm flagship processor which is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. This overall makes this a perfect flagship smartphone right now, and we can expect this smartphone to be of a flagship grade only. The only thing right now which iQOO is lagging is with its software, as it's been a bit of inspired by the Vivo's FunTouch OS, and which is not that much of a great software when compared to the other Android skins manufacturers we have seen from the Samsung, whether it's even its sister company the OnePlus Oxygen OS or the Color OS from Oppo. So that's one thing which Vivo and the iQOO needs to improve in its software to make the smartphone an ultimate flagship smartphone. Well, what going to be flagship with this smartphone is that you'll be getting a base RAM of up to from the 8 gigs of RAM to up to 16 gigs of RAM, and the maximum storage which you can get in this phone is for half a terabyte. UFS 4.0 storage will be available with only with the 256GB and 512GB RAM storage variants of this smartphone, and the triple camera setup of this smartphone, you won't be having any kind of a gimmick cameras, and it's simply a simple camera setup of triple camera setup with 50 megapixel of a primary camera, a 12 megapixel of an telephoto camera, and 8 megapixel of an ultra wide camera. Well, apart from that, what you also be getting is a maximum of up to 4K at 30 FPS, which feels a bit of a disappointing considering this phone is coming with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and it has all the hardware support. Only the software will be limiting its 8K video recording. Well, the front camera is going to be 16 megapixel of a front punch-hole selfie camera, and you can shoot up to 1080p at 30 FPS. Now, right now, in the flagship smartphone, we expect a 4K resolution or even the 2K selfie videos in the smartphone, but this is again a bit bummer if you are someone into much more with the quality recordings. Well, you will also be getting with this smartphone is that a 5000 mAh battery with 120 watts of fast wired charging, and you will also be getting a wireless charging in the Pro, in the iQOO 11 Pro only, and iQOO 11 won't be featuring a Pro wireless charging feature. And now the price comes is that for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 you can expect the smartphone to be coming at around probably 60,000 rupees, for at least 60 to 70,000 rupees for the iQOO 11 Pro. And considering the launch date, it's coming in China on 2nd of December. We can expect this smartphone to be launching as early as the January 2023 to be coming in India. And that's about it. If you like this information about this iQOO 11 series smartphone, give this video a thumbs up, thumbs down based on your opinion, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.